So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you haven't seen this face before, then hi, I'm Children, and today in this video I'm going to be sharing with you all a very easy 3-step skincare routine. I was just about to do my skincare, so I thought of making this video. I hope this video helps all the beginners who are new to skincare, and yeah, let's just get started with today's video. Okay, so the first step in my skincare routine is cleansing, and for cleansing I use this Wow Skin Sciences Vitamin C face wash. It is a really good face wash, you guys. I really like this face wash because it has a built-in silicone brush which helps in deep cleansing my pores. Also, it has goodness of vitamin C because of the oils of lemons and oranges. Overall, it helps in brightening and really lightening those dark spots and blemishes that you have on your skin. And I have heard so many good reviews about it, and I finally got it. I have been using these products that I'm going to talk to you about for a week now, and I have seen really good results, so you can trust me. Okay. Okay, now the second step is using a serum. So I have this Wow Skin Sciences Vitamin C serum. We all know how important vitamin C is for our skin. I really like its packaging because it has a cap-like thing which you can open when you want the product, and it pops back so that it doesn't leak. So it's a very travel-friendly product as well. I use this serum after cleansing my face with the face wash. The serum has 20% vitamin C concentrate. It has a very light consistency and blends and absorbs very well. It also has hazel, which controls oil production, and hyaluronic acid, which moisturizes the skin. So if you have any dark spots or like scars and stuff like that, then this serum also helps you to reduce all of that, and it also has anti-aging properties as well. So there is a lot of goodness in this. Okay, so the third step is all about locking the goodness of the serum that we used in the second step, because it is very important to lock and seal the goodness of the serum. So to do that, I am going to use a face cream or a moisturizer. For that, I am using this Wow Skin Sciences Vitamin C face cream. Now this cream is also light and does not feel heavy on your skin. It has shea butter, aloe vera gel, which gives a lot of moisture to your skin. So yes, all the goodness that we can get, and that's it for the very simple, easy 3-step skincare routine, you all. But I think we are forgetting something. One step is left, is that if you are using the skincare routine in the day, then you should definitely use a good sunscreen. It is very important, you guys. I have learned this a very hard way, so I hope all the beginners, please make sure that you use a very good sunscreen and a nice amount of it. Don't do conjuicy in using a sunscreen, because that's not good for your skin. That is really bad for your skin. And yeah, don't forget to moisturize your lips as well. That is also very important. And yeah, that's about it for this video, you guys. I hope this video helps you all. Also subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get notifications of my videos, and do not forget to follow me on Instagram. I upload daily content over there too. So yeah, let's just end this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, bye bye, take care.